So good morning, fellow journeyers. Day 2 Tampa RV show. The theme for this video is if you're looking for an RV and you're a retiree. That rhymed. That's really cool. I didn't know I was gonna do that. So even if you're not a retiring couple, this could apply to you, maybe some of the stuff you're looking for, but as we're thinking through the video today, we're thinking, okay, first of all, we're a retiring couple. We wanna see family, we wanna see friends, we wanna go to new places. Probably gonna move like every 2 weeks. There'll be a lot of reservations involved. We'd rather have full hookups than not full hookups, so most of the time it's going to be RV parks. I guess in general, we would rather be 50 feet from a pool and a hot tub than 50 feet from maybe seeing like a moose next to the RV or something like that. We got a budget of around 170K, and we want the RV to feel like a home or a condo. We want to be able to relax. We want to be able to just spread out and just enjoy this and see things at our own pace. You ready to retire for one video?
There's lots of different ways to RV and a lot of different RVs to choose from. And so we get that question a lot. How do we choose an RV? And a lot of that depends your walk of life. So we're gonna pretend we're a retired couple.
In love, totally in love.
And we're gonna choose an RV.
Camping world's getting pumped back here. First we're looking at the Sports Coach 365 RV SRS. This is the layout here. Hitch. Yeah, I don't think it's 10. I'll ask on the hitch. Come on, let's go check it out. Hensley likes the TV. MSRP's 241, show price 160. You know, it's in that 170 range.
It's a smaller diesel, yes.
Yeah, it's a 340.
They say a 10K hitch, but you really want a 10 as a minus.
Okay.
Just being, you know, honest.
So one thing to keep in mind, just because it has a 10K hitch doesn't necessarily mean it tows 10,000 pounds. So this one tows around 7,500. This has got the 340 as far as horsepower, but this is a diesel pusher. And so your engine's in the back, which is nice. You get all this open area. This is kind of like a mid-entry, which Marissa likes these mid-entries. Feels more like a house.
I do. I like it a lot. When you're full timing, I don't know, it's just a personal preference. Yeah, it kind of feels more homey to me.
One slide, pretty good side slide over here. Residential fridge. This is big. So this is something to keep in mind too. Our retiree style. We're okay with having hookups more often, maybe move from place from 2 weeks to 2 weeks. So a residential fridge is gonna be okay. We're not planning on boondocking a whole lot. What do you know, so far as a cooking space, now this one's a little more limited on the, I think,
yeah,
you got that. We could definitely probably find something with more counter space than this, in this price range, I think. But I like it. I like the layout. I like the neutral decor. Got a half bath here. There's a bedroom in the back. So I think our goal, maybe not so much like specific models, like full length tours, but we want to just walk through some stuff that's in that price range and then kind of, you know, just get a feel for what you could get for that. So I'm big on this stuff. You always want to check this cargo capacity sticker here. This one's, let's see, 2,300 kilograms. What is that in pounds? That's a decent amount of pounds. That's the big thing of this. Like, just because it's a diesel, don't assume you can tow whatever you want and hold whatever you want. Pay attention to the engine size and the chassis and all that stuff. So 340 horsepower, you're not towing 10K, you're towing 5,000, 7,500, something like that. All right, we're gonna look at the Fleetwood Pacero 38K. Now this is 190. Here's the layout, what we're looking at. This looks like a really cool layout. And they've told me this is their best selling Pacero. You don't see this in all these. If you got the grandkids, if we got the grandkids, right?
when Hensley and this baby has her kids, they could come over.
So that comes down and you're not gonna have to like get the couches out, have everything in this whole area. They just sleep up there, that's their space. That's really nice, I like that. This is my brother Corey. He went all matchy-matchy today too. We all know I look better in mine than his, but Marissa's giving me the face like, no he doesn't, he looks way better. See your face. I know that face. It's a Ghost 33DS, Nexus 179.9. You're gonna get this large area in the front, which now, if you wanted to, they're gonna make models where you could probably have a sleeping area up here instead of the storage. So that's kind of a, you know, preference factor. Of course, you're gonna be able to make a bed here if you want. This is gonna make a bed. So the big pro on these,
You can tow a Jeep.
you could tow a bunch of Jeeps.
That is what I'm looking at.
So, but I think so. If we're a retiree couple wanting to tow a Jeep, I think we could get one of the Class A's that tows 10,000 pounds. But if we wanted to tow like 4 Jeeps, or something, you know, if we have a giant trailer with multiple cars or something super heavy in the back, the rep told me this could tow up to 20,000 pounds. So I haven't checked. I haven't seen the sticker and all that to verify. So double check that. But 10,000, I would say, would be easy with these. You're typically going to get a lot of towing capacity on these. And you get, you know, the layout wise, it doesn't have as many slides as some of the Class A's, but you still got the spot up front where you could have a sleeping area up there if you wanted to. Decent sized fridge.
It's a big closet.
Yep. Wow, it goes deeper than I thought it would just looking at it.
I don't know how I would get to my stuff.
So you might, yeah, you want to come in, you want to feel around. Is there a washer dryer hookup anywhere?
Yeah, right there.
Okay. So we got washer dryer hookups, bedroom in the back. That's a separate slide. And you got another slide in here, so you got 2 slides on this one. Changing gears a little bit, we're gonna check out the Solitude 373 FBR. Now this is 70,000, and maybe you're thinking that is way below budget, Nathan, but you gotta buy a truck too. Hensley, look at the space.
You're definitely gonna get your counter space in this one.
Yeah. So compared to the counter space and the living area we've been looking at with the Class A, the Super C, whew, it's hard to beat the 5th wheel layout.
I love all these windows. Look at that.
Yeah, that is crazy. Quad door fridge. Look at this pantry storage. Yeah, check that out.
A lot of storage.
What is that?
Oh, half
bath. Cool. And so this is, you know, you're talking the 40-ish, maybe 43-foot range. So about as long as the motorhomes we've been looking at, maybe slightly longer. You're gonna have a truck on top of that too. So you are getting some length. But again, as a retiree couple, if we're looking at like going somewhere every 2 weeks and we kind of know where we're going, we got reservations, just go ahead and plan on pulling into truck stops as far as fueling up. I mean, it might not be as intimidating as it might seem to tow something this tall and this big if it's planned out like that. Yeah, how's this?
This is awesome. You could play hide and go seek in here.
As a retiree couple, you can play hide and go seek in here. Dual sinks. What'd you find there, Corey? Yep. Storage. Is that the washer dryer back there? Washer dryer in the back. I mean, if you want the feel of a condo or a home, it's nice. And the Solitudes are nice. They're built for 4-season living. They're built for full-time living. So this one's dishwasher prepped. I guess it could go here if you wanted to. Let's see, cargo, 3,100 pounds. I'm gonna say not as much as what you're gonna get with some of the diesel pushers or the Super Cs as far as cargo. But man, this layout. Decent amount of storage. Look at this bay. It's nuts. This is the ST380FL in the Solitude.
It's like 3 rooms.
So this is the front living model. So you get this living room area surrounding the fireplace with a TV. Very home-like that we could stretch out. And these are probably, you know, these are gonna make beds here. Sometimes they have massage chairs. So you need massage, heat, so you get all that kind of upgraded stuff on the seats.
This is one of my favorite layouts. I love how homey and how you have that separation. I will say there's a lot of stairs, so if you have trouble with stairs, it's up and down a lot.
Here's the down. So with these front living layouts, you get this kitchen area in the middle. Decent amount of space on the counter, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna say decent. You get that little spot over there too. And you can host a lot of people in here.
I love this layout.
Or we could host a lot of people, right? We're supposed to say we. Bedroom. I like the sliding doors they've done in here. Nice touch.
Really pretty. Yeah, this is awesome. It's a lot of room.
Yeah, and you can't see I'm already standing in the bathroom, which is huge. That's actually very big for a bathroom.
Washer dryer.
Yeah, good spot for that.
I love this layout.
Yeah. Dual sinks, hers and hers. I don't know how you'd use both sinks. You can figure out how, but
I'd find a way.
This is the 380, and the 380 and the 375 are similar, in that they have a ton of storage underneath. This is crazy amount of storage under here. So the 375 is right across the way. This is cool. Look at this. I don't cook a lot, so I couldn't see myself. But if you cook a lot,
Yeah.
there we go. So it's flip-flopped.
What would be the advantage of the other?
Yeah, so this one's got the closet instead of the bath up here. I don't know. I'm really liking that other one better.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the bath here, but that bath was awesome. And these are the same length, and they're in the same price range.
And you get a half bath over there.
And you get an extra half bath. There's a lot. I don't know how they got all that in about the same
I
length.
think fifth wheels have my favorite living space, but Class A's are so convenient for travel days, so you just gotta weigh your options and what's most important to you. I loved our Class A for travel. It was really nice.
Yeah, it used to be one of the big draws of the Class A's is you got tons more storage in the fifth wheels, but they're starting to get the fifth wheels higher, stronger chassis, and they're starting to have more storage. Like I know our fifth wheel, it was a weekend one. It was a
Sandpiper.
Yeah, we had a Sandpiper, so it didn't really have the weight to have all that storage. But a lot of these do, and they've started adding these extra giant bays for the storage. So it's cool to see that. We've actually talked to a lot of retirees that like this layout with the mid bunk. You get a place for the grandkids to sleep up here, and I'm loving this music. I'm digging it. You get this whole room to do whatever you want. It could be a workout area, a closet, an office, just extra storage if you want to. Nice. Oh, these are nice. So if price is not an issue, you can go with one of these Integra Cornerstones if you want to. Probably a little bit out of our price range though. So, woo! Nice. Heated floors. Nice. Wow. You want one of these, Corey?
What do you think?
Let's do it.
I don't know. It's got heated floors.
It does have heated floors. You can like feel it radiating. It's awesome. $500,000 on that one, Hensley. What do you think about that? You want Grandma and Grandpa to, or we be your parents, I guess. You want your parents to? We're going right over here. We're gonna check out Mobile Suites.
Really light and bright.
It is. So this is a 40 KSS B4 125. So this is once you get a truck, I mean it's right on the upper end of what you could do. But these mobile suites, oh my goodness.
They are sturdy.
These are houses on literal houses on wheels. Like I don't have any, I mean, tons of counter space, dishwasher, fridge, microwave, fireplace, giant TV. Look at all this seating space. That I'm sure will come out into a bed. This checks off a lot of it. This is a lot of our list, babe. So if being nitpicky, I would probably say like, well, you have to make a choice in all these. That is nice. But they made a choice to make this area really big and roomy. And then over here, you know, a little bit smaller in the bath probably in comparison. Tons of storage. Cedar closet. That is a huge slide. Look at the height of that slide. Oh, man. Mobile Suites 41 RKS B4. Rear kitchen. You guys have been making yourself at home in here, huh?
Hensley, every time we come in, kicks her shoes off.
This is a kitchen.
Yeah.
This is a rear kitchen here. Check this out. Again, sort of the top of the mark as far as price, but dishwasher, stove, microwave, just everything. Well thought out. Look at the fridges right here. That's awesome. What was your favorite layout for like a retiring couple? Or retired. Either way, we didn't say that, but I guess you'd be retired or retiring.
The front living ones always are super nice. I don't probably that one I would say.
Which one? There was two front livings, right?
Yeah.
Or no, one was actually a rear living, but it was elevated. Mm-hmm. So one of them got the half bath, one of them didn't.
The bathroom. I liked the
Yeah,
bathroom.
that's weird how they pulled that off with that 380, I think it was. Like it got the better bathroom, the half bath. I know there's some pros for the 375 I'm not thinking of right now, but that was pretty nice. I'd go with the Integra. There's a lot of our range. But...
Well, yeah, but that one was a curveball you threw in there. I don't know.
No, I think as a couple, I think I'd go with the 380 as well. I think obviously if we have kids, we look at the mid bunk and stuff, which was nice, but it's just felt so big and spacious because of the mid bunk. You've got the living room and kitchen that's wide open, But with that layout, it's like if you got the kitchen that's wide open, and then you can just sort of walk and flow into the living room area as well that's wide open. So the only downside I think for that, or maybe the advantage of the mid bunk over those, would be there's less stairs with the mid bunk. But you've still got stairs.
There is a lot of
but
stairs.
There's just one set
so
instead
if
of two
stairs
sets.
are a problem,
Yeah,
then,
that would change it.
Like I mentioned, a Class A is definitely awesome for travel. So I guess you just have to find your travel style and then go from there.
And so in addition to this video, we've also filmed a video on Patreon called The 8 Things We've Never Seen at an RV Show. Something we've never seen.
And the safety features are built in.
Okay. I don't know, every time I see something the first time, well, sometimes I see something it's just like, wow, but then sometimes I see something and I'm like, I gotta think about it for a minute. It's cool. I think I like it. It took me a minute. They got a tent on top of it. And so if you want to see that video, and we've got like 40 plus vlogs and Q&As, definitely follow the link to see more videos like that. And until next time, we'll catch you guys later.
Filming is fun. Grab an RV and